Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will give you the steps to configure Netgear AX1600 Wi-Fi 6, or RAX5 router device. This router gives you a combined wireless speed of up to 1.6 gigabits per second. Let's start the setup process. First, connect your router to a modem and power on your router device. Here, use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the yellow Internet port on the Netgear router. If your Internet connection does not require a modem, then connect your main Ethernet cable to the yellow Internet port on the router. Then connect the power adapter to your Netgear router and plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. The router's power LED lights became solid green when the router is ready. Now, you need to connect the Netgear router's network using a wired or Wi-Fi connection. For the wired connection, connect your computer or laptop with the router using an Ethernet cable connection. For a wireless connection, you can connect your computer or mobile device to the Netgear router's Wi-Fi network using the Wi-Fi network name and Wi-Fi password. The Wi-Fi network name and password is available on the router's label. The Wi-Fi password is also known as the network key or passphrase. After connected to the Netgear router, you need to log in the router admin page. Launch a web browser on your connected computer or mobile device. If first time you set up the internet connection for your Netgear AX1600 router, then browser goes to the internet connection setup page. If you are looking to set up the internet connection again, then enter routerlogin.net in the web address field to start the installation process. Here, a login window will appear on the screen. Enter the router's admin username and password. The basic home page displays. Now, select Advanced and then Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard page displays. Here, select the Yes Radio button. Then, click the Next button. The Setup Wizard searches your internet connection for servers and protocols to determine your internet configuration. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you are facing any trouble to set up your Netgear AX1600 Wi-Fi 6 or RAX5 router or you need our help, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching this video.